treatment from Cantu. So this is the first time I'm using it, and as you can see, it's all made for natural and it doesn't have harsh ingredients in it. So this is the how it looks like. So hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate it. You are awesome. So today's video is basically about my hair. I'm going to be washing my hair, and I have sectioned my hair into smaller sections, as you can see. So I just like washing my hair into smaller sections because it makes my wash day very easy and very quick, and when I am detangling my hair. So I have these products. So I'm gonna be using this one shampoo from Dark and Lovely. I hope you can see it very well. And I also have this treatment from Cantu. So this is the first time I'm using it, and as you can see, it's all made for natural and it doesn't have harsh ingredients in it. So this is the how it looks like. So stick around to the end and we will see how it is going to work on my hair. So before we start, I want to encourage you from the book of Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. You can do everything through Christ who gives you strength. Remember that God is our strength in every situation, in every circumstance. So keep focused and just keep trusting, because God is faithful. No matter what happens, keep the faith and He will not fail you. So without further ado, we are beginning this video right now. So I'm going to be washing my hair off camera, and after that I am going to come back and then I'll show you how I am applying this and how it is going to work on my hair. Okay, so I am forgetting something that is very important. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, dear? Go ahead and hit the subscription button below and like this video. Leave a sweet comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think about the whole video. So if you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much. What will my channel do without you? Thank you so much for trusting my content and for your interest in my content. I really appreciate it. So we are beginning this video right now. Nimerudi. So we are going to begin applying this one. So this is how it looks like inside. I'm gonna go to my mirror. It has a nice smell. There is an instant feel when you apply to your hair that I'm feeling right now. Like my hair is feeling already soft. So let's see what will happen. So I'm gonna twist up this section, then move to the other section. So I'm going to the next one and apply. generously to every strand of my hair. We want to focus on the ends because the ends are the oldest part of your hair, so you need to take care of them so that we retain the length. So my hair is detangled. Already detangled my hair when I was shampooing, so no lot of work. So I'm done applying to every section, as you can see. So I'm going to just cover with this plastic hairchiz. Because it's written I'm supposed to leave it on my hair for 30 minutes. And since where I am living right now it's not sunny, I'm going to be using this hair steamer for 30 minutes. Yeah, then I'm going to see you when I am done with a full review. And actually it is said I leave it for 30 minutes, and for extremely dry hair you can apply and leave it overnight. Yeah. So see you when I have rinsed it out. See ya. Back, and I did not leave it on for 30 minutes. I just left it for 15 minutes, of which I thought it is enough for me. So this is what I think. The hair mask is good because my hair is feeling moisturized and my hair is soft. So for me, any product that can make my hair feel soft and moisturized, that is good enough for me, because moisture is everything when it comes to natural hair. Moisture is everything. Moisture is what will save your hair. So I'm so glad that I use this product on my hair. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and if you haven't tried it out, go ahead and try it out, because this product is nice and it doesn't have harsh ingredients to your hair. You can see those are not into this product. You can see here. So it is a nice product. So thank you so much for watching my video to this far. I really appreciate. I'm so grateful, and I'll see you in my next one. So next week I'll be styling my hair now that I have washed my hair. So see you next week. Keep safe and may God bless you. Bye bye.